So your printer's nozzles are clogged up with dried ink and you're getting faded prints. But here's the good news. You don't need any fancy tools or technical skills to fix this. In fact, most printers have a built-in head cleaning function that can unclog those dried nozzles automatically. In this video, I'm going to use Epson ET2750 printer to show you exactly how to use the printer's maintenance features to clean those clogged printheads. If you've got a different printer, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, go to your printer's display panel. Then scroll through the menu to find Settings to open it. Under Settings, look for and select Maintenance. Scroll down in the Maintenance menu until you find Head Cleaning and select it. Now, press the Start button to begin the automatic printhead cleaning process. Once the cleaning is complete, select Nozzle Check and press OK. This will print out a test page so we can see if the cleaning worked. Load a letter or A4 size sheet of paper in your printer's rear paper feed tray. Now, press the Start button to print the nozzle check page. Once the page prints out, take a look at it. Check if the color lines are solid and not breaking. If all lines look good, with no gaps or missing color, then your printheads are unclogged and working properly.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.